In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import media into DaVinci Resolve. This process is simple yet essential, whether you're working on a personal project or editing professionally. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together to ensure you can confidently bring your media into this powerful editing software. First, you'll want to open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it from the official website and follow the installation instructions provided. Once you have the software open, you'll see a home screen with various tabs at the bottom. These include Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, and several others. At this stage, we're focusing on importing your media, so you'll be primarily using the Media tab to start with. With DaVinci Resolve running, navigate to the File menu located at the top left of the screen. This is the command center for accessing the essential functions you'll need. Click on File, and then scroll down to Import. Hovering over Import will reveal a submenu. From here, select Media. This command allows you to import a wide range of media types, including video, audio, and image files, into your project. You'll be prompted with a dialog box that lets you browse your computer's files. Now's the time to find the media you've prepared for your project. Whether you're bringing in a series of video clips, still images, or audio tracks, ensure these media files are saved in an accessible folder. If you have them organized in advance, the importing process will be much smoother. Simply navigate to the folder where your media is stored, select the files you want, and click Open. Once you've selected your media files, DaVinci Resolve will immediately start importing them into your project. There's a media pool window in the lower part of the interface where you will see your files appear as they are imported. This media pool is where all the files reside before being used in the timeline. It's a good idea to get familiar with organizing your files here. Grouping similar files together, renaming them for clarity, or sorting them in a way that makes sense for your workflow can save you time down the line. And there you have it. Your media is now successfully imported into DaVinci Resolve, ready for you to start editing. It's worth noting that DaVinci Resolve supports a wide range of file types and offers various tools that can help you make the most out of your media. Familiarizing yourself with these capabilities will enhance your edit and contribute to a professional-looking final product. I hope this guide helped you understand the steps involved in importing media into DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of this versatile editing software.